Hey you guys, so today is my first cooking video on here, and I'm gonna be honest, I have been a nervous wreck about it. Some of you all, I don't know how you do it, you make it look so easy and just easy breezy, and I've been a nervous wreck. But anyway, so today is my husband's birthday, and the kids are coming over, the grandkids are coming over, and we just decided to stay in and let them swim and stuff, and instead of going out. So last night we had meatloaf. So today we're going to turn our meatloaf into cheesy cabbage rolls. And it's my favorite recipe out of this whole book. So I hope you guys like this. It's really simple. So here we go. First video. So you've got your cabbage leaves. We've already boiled these, got them soft. You're going to take a spoonful of rice. If you want to stretch your meal, you can always use rice. It goes. Then you're going to put you a piece of your meatloaf in here. And you're just going to roll them up. Look what a big roll that makes. This one, same thing. We had actually had a lot left over because last night it was just me and my husband here. But instead of just plain meatloaf, I thought I'd pick up some cabbage rolls. Y'all see that good? I was nervous because I know a lot of cooks. It's kind of fancy, and around here we're not fancy. It's I don't use a lot of spices. We grew up. I think all I remember having, we had salt and pepper. My mom didn't use a lot of spices. We used bacon grease a lot, but I think that's one of the reasons I was so nervous about it. But you know what? I prayed about it, and I know the Lord was in this. And so I just have to just be myself, right? And I hope you guys like it. I've enjoyed talking with some of you guys. So we've got one more here. Now the little kids coming over tonight, we got two beautiful little grandgirls. They're not going to eat these. They'll eat pizza, because they don't like this kind of food yet. But now my daughter-in-law and my husband and me and my daughter, well, I don't know if my daughter will or not. I doubt it. But we'll tear these up. We're going to do one more. Roll them up. And that's it. We're going to put these, we're going to wrap these up and then salt and pepper them. Alright, these are going in the oven for a little while, 30 minutes actually. And then I'll be back. Alright, so we're back. We're going to uncover these, and we are going to sprinkle a bag of Velveeta shredded cheese on top. I don't have the cheddar cheese that the recipe calls for too, but that's okay. We'll do with the Velveeta. Okay, then you're going to take a sleeve of crackers. I already crumbled them up. I hope you guys love these as much as I do. I can't hardly stop eating them when I get started. So there's your cracker crumbs. Then you're going to take your butter. I've already cut it up. I usually don't have these nails on. My daughter got married, so I went and had my nails done, and I'm just kind of waiting on them to grow out. I don't know if I'll keep them or get rid of them. All right, now we are going to leave that uncovered. We'll be back in just a minute. All right, you guys, here they are. Just scoop it out. Look at some of the cheese didn't melt on that yet, but that's okay. Better stick them back in there for a minute. But I was going to show you what they look like. I'll stick them back in, let the cheese melt some on them. But that is your leftover meatloaf that's turned into cheesy cabbage rolls. Look at this little tiny spatula. Is that not the cutest thing? It's tiny. I think I got it at a yard sale or something, but I just love it. But anyway, there you go. I hope you guys like this recipe, and I hope you guys enjoy your day. Reach out and tell my husband happy birthday if you guys see him out. I appreciate each one of you all. Bye-bye.